know Kelsey is the most loving, friendly, generous, loyal, and energetic woman. She's very, very energetic. She would do anything for her family and friends and always goes above and beyond for everyone. She's a beautiful soul that deserves the best. When I first met Eric, I knew he had the potential to be the one for Kelsey since he was intelligent, goofy, and he thinks he knows everything. He seemed a lot like me. I thought this was great for Kelsey. Eric has many great qualities that mix perfectly with Kelsey. Kelsey can lean on Eric to make decisions, make her laugh, and most importantly, let her be herself with so much love.
Life together will sometimes be playful and effortless, sometimes frustrating and difficult. Each day, your relationship will strengthen if you choose to continue to love and honor one another. Love is nurturing, love is listening, love is caring about your partner. Love lightens burdens because you divide them. Love intensifies joys because you share them. If you truly love, you will always be loyal to one another, always expect the best of one another, and above all else, always stand your ground in defending one another. Family and friends, we are witnesses to this union of two individuals who choose to commit to a life together. Our responsibility as their friends and witnesses is to provide them as a couple with our love, support, and approval. These surroundings were not chosen by chance. Those who love the sea can hear in it the creation as the tides ebb and flow, the sun rises and sets, and the stars come nightly to the sky.
I, Kelsey, take you, Eric, to be my wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward.
For richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death do us part.
Your lives are now joined in an unbroken circle. Wherever you go, may you always return to one another in togetherness. May you grow in understanding and in compassion. May your home be a place of sanctuary. By the powers vested in me to perform this ceremony, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss your bride.
We were all delighted that Kelsey and Eric chose to have their wedding here in Stone Harbor because Stone Harbor is our family's happy place. And now Stone Harbor will have a new profound meaning to Kelsey and Eric, where they started their new journey in life together, surrounded by loved ones. So always remember that a successful marriage is like a winning team, with each player joining together for a common goal.
The way Kelsey loves is something very rare. It is with great comfort knowing she has a partner who is supportive, caring, and adventurous by her side. You're a lucky man, Eric. Thank you for making Kelsey so incredibly happy, and know that you will be living a very active and busy lifestyle with Kelsey by your side.
I know in my heart, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that you two are destined for a wonderful life together. Let's toast to that and have a good night.